Good evening, team. I'm Corey. Thanks for tuning in. We are going to be doing some Rust coding today. We're working on my Rust-powered blog, so this is the live version of the site we're going to work on today. You can find it at beta.coreyja.com if you want to follow along. And here's the coreyja.com, the non-beta. So here's what we're going to replace here. And so yeah, we've been working on this for, oh man, quite a while on stream now. I don't want to know how many months, but a little while. And we are getting really close to being ready to launch. We've got posts and we've got the new Today I Learns. These don't even exist on the old site, so we're adding stuff, and we're getting really ready. So today I think we're gonna do some finishing touches, try to get some stuff done, and hopefully launch it at the end. Um, and to start out, we're actually going to do something a little different because I was clicking around. So my wife has been designing stuff and she did my logo and everything. And so I was going to look at Figma to do some transfer stuff, like grab some SVGs. And they added a new dev mode. And let's walk through setting that up and take a look at it quick. Thought that would be fun to do on stream. So I am usually a web developer and I like things in rems. Yeah, let's do 16 as the base font size. It'll scale based on that. Really cool that it lets me choose which platform I want. Set my color theme. System theme makes sense to me, but that is going to be dark mode. Use your favorite tools. Okay, cool. So these are just some plugins, I think, that it says maybe that I might want. Like I like Linear, and I use GitHub. I don't use Storybook. I like have in the past. Figma to code. I don't know if like one of those sounds kind of cool, but I've never used either. But like Figma for VS Code does sound kind of cool. Let's install that. I have VS Code. Yeah. Okay, there we go. That was just a weird, it just looked weird. Cool. Cool. Okay, awesome. Not sure what is super different, but nothing as marked as ready for development. Oh, okay, so cool. So there's like a way to hand off things as ready for development. Oh, and here are my pins up here. We're in dev mode. Here's my plugins. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's nifty, right? I can see the spacing of things. I get all the colors, all the different vector assets with exports. Okay, yeah, no, dev mode looks nice. I like this. This is really fun. Yeah, we have the different layers over here with light and dark. Yeah, I like this with the colors broken out. That's very nice. Yeah, and here's all the other colors from this one in RGB. Nice. Cool. Yeah, so we're probably gonna pull some of these colors in. And actually there, so this is the style guide, and let's go back to files because in, oh, wait a second, I thought it was in style guide. Oh no, it is this one. There we go. Awesome. So if you see right now on the beta, we have this one with the colors in the background. We decided that might be a little much, so we're gonna pivot it to these versions. With just the solid color here. Oh, thank you for, I'm not actually sure which one that is because I'm not seeing the chat notification. The follow. Thank you for the follow. Sabez Thanks for following along. Is that on my screen? I don't think that's on stream. Let's see if I can see it on my iPad real quick. No, I think there's just some black pixels rendering on my screen, and I'm not sure why. That's okay. I'll figure that out eventually. Okay, so we want to take these logos, and which one are we using right now? Okay, so I have the light one because we're on a dark. So yeah, this one. I want to take this whole thing, export it as an SVG, export light. Yep. Awesome. And we're going to take that SVG and plop it in as the logo in our app. Server, let's see where I actually have this. I have no idea. Logo, it's this one. Awesome. So I think I just want to call it logo.svg still. So let's like just remove light. Oh, that's exactly not what I wanted. Remove logo. Put light back in here and rename it to logo. Cool. There we go. VS Code will format it for me. And actually, that looks pretty nice. Awesome. Okay. Looks like a pretty nice SVG already. Doesn't look like it needs much formatting. Okay, so let's just... Oh, I have an Overmind thing set up. That'll run Tailwind as well. I would love to fold that into the process, but at the moment it is separate. Awesome. That should boot my server. And there we go. This should be my local server. So that logo there is the new logo, but it's a lot bigger. And I think it's because I forgot to get rid of the height and width. We just want the view box. That'll recompile. There we go. Perfect. I always forget that first. Yeah, I think that looks better. Let's pull up the beta. Let's do these side by side. Open and split. Okay, fine. Let's open this in dev mode. Do I have that option? Dev mode. Oh, whoa, too many options. Dev mode. There we go. Yeah, I like this a lot better. The spacing's also adjusted here, so there's some better spacing here. But I think the colors there were just a little distracting, and I think this looks more uniform. So yeah, we're gonna go with this one. This is I already knew that. That wasn't really a decision, but just checking it out. Awesome. Okay, so that's the new logo. We'll close this down and open it in a new little thingy. So this is where we'll run their Overmind. Oh, I forgot to make sure that we had music started. Sorry about that, team. That's much better. Now we've got some music to listen to. Hopefully the VODs don't get muted. I got a few of my VODs muted, even though I should be using music that I have licenses to. So hopefully that doesn't happen here. But no matter what, if you're live, you should not get muted. Okay. What were we doing? We were committing the logo. We're just gonna make a branch for today's stream. 621. Swap out logo for planar one for solid protocol version. It's like the protocol. It's not the protocol. It's like the, I don't know, solid version. We'll just go with that one. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that's the live site. Let's just close it so I don't confuse myself. There we go. That's that. And okay, so there's not really much else that I need from the Figmas, but there actually might be. So basically, the last thing that I have as an issue that's marked launch blocker. There's only one left, and it's just to complete the homepage. And I don't really have any information there, because I don't really have a ton of thought of what I want on the homepage. We have some mock-ups here of some stuff that is like kind of the idea that I want some of this, but I'm not sure if I'm ready for all of it. So we'll see what pieces. This is the top part that we already have. And then here's these like kind of nice card style posts, but I don't really think I have images for each post that'll work well for this. And I guess that could be the task too, is to find them. So maybe there's that. I do like the welcome to my corner of the internet. But I really think we'll do some latest posts, and maybe we'll do some latest Today I Learns. And I think those will be good. And yeah, so maybe I like these ones. I like these posts at the bottom, these card style rectangle thingies. Let's maybe do those. I like that. I don't think Today I Learns want to be that way. I think they're gonna want to be smaller and less prominent. Maybe they come first because I'll limit it to like 3. And we'll just get titles or something. I don't think we're gonna get cards. So maybe let's do those first because those seem easy. So yeah, let's do some Today I Learned. So we're gonna throw some Today I Learned on the page. Awesome, here's my local dev server. Let's go to our homepage. HTTP server, pages, home. Awesome. Oh, and actually, yeah, these buttons are just wrong. So we're gonna need to fix that. Wait, are these like buttons? Yeah, why am I made buttons? That's like not even useful. I guess just because I wanted to style them. Um, okay, 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 Corey. Oh, why did I make buttons? I don't have any form things. Oh, that's the other thing I want is we'll do a newsletter form. That's technically not a launch blocker though. Do I have that as an issue? Yep. And not much does a launch blocker. Look at that. I got the hiccups. Okay. Um, but ignoring the buttons, we wanted to put something under the buttons anyways. Div. We just want a div, I guess, for some. This is like where the latest today I learned will go. Oh, so this isn't where I want it to be at all. I didn't realize where I was. Let's do a div out here. This is where the latest today I learned will go. H3 was that. Yeah, where's the Figma? These are like, oh yeah, this is nice with the typographies all set out, and I could just copy the whole thing. It would be nice. Oh, Swift UI and Compose. Yeah, it'd be really cool if one of the options here was Tailwind, because that would be what I want. But I think it told me there was plugins for that, but I didn't really want to use a plugin for that. This one. Run it. Hi, plugin user. Nope. Dismiss it. Code. Settings. Select framework. HTML. But where's... Ah, Tailwind. There we go. Oh, cool. Yeah. Doesn't do all of it, but like most of it gets... There's some Tailwinds there. Nifty. Not my favorite plugin. I like this inspect pane better, but I wish it had Tailwind. Okay, but what I really wanted to know though was what font size this was. 2.4. 3. Okay, so this is 3. Is that the same as this? It's about the same as this. Okay, so we'll call it whatever I called this. We'll call it an H3. Oh, no, that's an H1. Yeah, H1, H4. I think H2 is the answer here. And this just says, do I need that? Can I just do this? Recent day I learns. Element must be wrapped in braces. Okay. Oops. Okay, so recent today I learns. The home page. It needs some state. How does it pull the state? There's the today I learned posts. Import state. Wait, not from there. Maxim. Import. Make it pub create. Okay. Yeah, I know we're not using today I learned posts at the moment. Let recent today I learned equals I don't know, it doesn't really need to be anything. Equals today I learned posts dot posts. Yeah, but I think I want it posts. I want it like sorted, right? Well, actually I should probably just ask for that here from this thing. This has the fact of the right. Today I learned posts. Yep. Oh, this is for one of them. Do I have? Yeah, there we go. These ones. Should it always be like, should I have to sort these? No. I don't know, because I have to sort these all the time, right? So like I guess I should have a public function by recency. Which basically does that. Except that's not how I've been sorting them. I've just been sort by keying. I like this better. Something like that, right? No method posts for reference. Yeah, it's just self does posts dot clone, yeah. Post a front matter. No method date. Oh, because these are the different ones. Oh yeah, okay, so I see. So it actually was doing it more correctly for this case. Oh, and we're just sorting it on the date even. Like this is just a string. Oh, that's funny. Is that fine? Oh yeah, it probably is because I'm zero padding it. Huh. Iter collect, no, not clone. Iter dot collect. Boom. Oh, fine. Collect it to a back. Woohoo! Okay. That was a lot of work though. What posts equal today I learned posts dot by recency. Today I learned posts dot by recency dot truncate shortens the vector, keeping the first n elements, dropping the last truncated to like 3. And then pretty much the same thing we do in index here. That's a good idea. I don't know where I want to write things like this though, like so I want to implement the render trait for the posts here. Like I want to make a little component-y thing for it, basically. I don't know where to write that. It's not a template. Like I guess it's a component. It's a template. Yeah, because here's where I have a few of those here. Yep. So I guess I could just write it here, but I don't think I want to write it here. Let's make a new file. Hub to the crate. A mod called posts. Yeah, let's call it posts. Create it there. Okay, so then impl render or today I learned posts. Oh. Yeah, no, but it's really just it's for T, where T impls iterator, where item equals something that where item is a reference to a today I learned post. Today, isn't that? Wait. It's just what it's called. Today I learned to post, right? Yeah. Type O. But to the crate. Okay. Get some imports here. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, what if I don't want that then? Fair enough. Type parameter T must be used as a type parameter in some. Wait, what? Only trace defined in the current crate can be implemented for. Oh, yeah, the current thing. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, it's not really worth it then. Because I can't implement this for the vec. I can't implement render for the vec either. I guess that's why I would make it a component though, right? So like, I guess what I really want to do then though, because I still think I want to do this, I've decided, is I want to make a struct for today I learned post list. And it just has a vec of today I learned posts. Yep, and then we impl render for our today I learned post list. Come on. Implement missing members. Oh, render 2, I didn't need that. Oh, that's cool that it just like gave me a thing. Wow. That's interesting. I don't know, I've never written that. I've only written render before. That was really interesting though. That does it by making a... Wow, that's super interesting. It renders it to a string and then that just says it's a pre-escaped string, which means we're really just string formatting under the hood in Moud. That would be kind of crazy. It's probably true though, that's how most of these things work. Okay, HTML bang. From here? Nope. From pages. Blue. Self. Iter. Oh, that's 0. Yep. And then I don't need this because then it'll just call into iter on it. Reference it. Perfect. Okay. And then up to the crate. Then over here, this can just be replaced by a render of today I learned post list of posts. I can do the exact same thing on the home page. Can't find function. Oh yeah, okay, import it. Oh, there's no formatting of this. That's gonna really drive me crazy. Oh, okay, well let's go make it not be private fields, shall we? Perfect. Wait. Does this return references that I didn't want it to return? Wait, and the other one was fine with it? They should both be not fine with it. Yeah, okay. That's, as long as that's the case. This can then just do references of it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I forgot. That's why I didn't do references, but that's okay. I can just make my struct have a reference. Simple for A for any A. Like, it just doesn't matter. Oh, recent. Today I learned. Oh, gotcha. I didn't realize truncate didn't return the thing. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oops. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, not running. Oh, it is running. There we go. Ooh, okay, so we need to style that. That's okay though, we can do that. Oh, so it's really just I just forgot. I just don't have that on it. Okay. Well, it's easy to do then if that's what we want. I don't know what size we're gonna want though. Text 2XL. This was 3, it said, right? And this one, that's a 3, yeah. Four, two, so this should be 3. Margin bottom 8. I'm just throwing padding, or I'm just throwing numbers around. It's a different playlist than we usually do. I don't usually do the pop version. We usually do more electric, or electronic. This is interesting. It's not bad. I think that looks good for recent Today I Learned. And I think I'm actually just gonna plop recent posts right next, right below it, basically. Get recent Today I Learned on the homepage. Oh man, so I used to do, well, I have it. Used to sign all my commits with YubiKey, and I just decided that maybe I don't need to do it anymore because it never really had a big purpose. It just kind of was fun, but makes it hard when I want to like SSH into machines and make commits like I want to do from my laptop sometimes now when I want to SSH into my desktop. So I don't do it anymore, and now every time I commit I feel like I need to tap the key, but I'm not tapping it anymore, so it's crazy. It's kind of nice though. Okay, cool. Let's do the blogs. Let's do the blog posts. It's like almost exactly the same thing. Yep, we're just gonna duplicate it. It's not worth it to make to think about doing it differently. Like, can I wrap this in a module? I don't know if I want to. Let's just make a copy of it right here. I don't really like them mixing this much though. Blog post list. Blog post. It's this, like I have it this, yeah. Oh, great. And then go to the homepage that I was, oh no, it's in posts. This now needs to include it. Yep, awesome. Okay, and then it's like literally the same. It's almost the same thing as this. Simple. Oh, come on, you can do it. Simple render for. Come on, Copilot. Copilot's just like not firing for me. There we go. Except now I did too much because I didn't want it to do all of that because I don't trust it for that. Pages, blog. This becomes self.iter with a reference. It's not iter, it's 0. Then I could iter, but I don't need to. Ooh. Oh, does canonical path not exist on the reference? Because that would be kind of amazing. No. No, that's not that canonical though. Oh, because it's a trait. Yeah, where do I import canonical path for? Cool. And now it should be implemented for it, right? Okay, so it was both of those though, I think, right? Like it couldn't import it before, but now it can. Yeah, but that didn't actually do anything. Pages, blog. Replace this thing with just a blog post list of posts. Yeah, what did you get then? Where's the error? There we go. Found struct. Oh, okay. Oh, because it doesn't do the by recency thing. Posts.iter.collect. That's the best way to get it to that. Yep. I don't want to do by recency here. Yeah, but I'm going to in like 10 seconds though. But I don't really want to. No, because they are different. Okay, fine. Pub to the crate. Function. By recency. It returns a vec of references to blog posts. It's not quite what I had in mind because I would rather do it this way because it's the way I've already been doing it. This is self. About 0 or something, right? Is that what I want? Or dot posts? No field posts. Oh! Put it in the wrong place. There we go. Perfect. Sort key, date, reverse, posts. Yeah, okay, awesome. And then when we go to the template for it, this can just be let posts, and actually, like, we can just do it here. Posts dot by recency. Yeah, that's so much better. Okay. And then let view recent posts equals. Oh, cool. So I need another one of these. I need a state of blog. Oh, blog posts. There's a state of blog posts. Report it. Blog post, stop by recency, and we're gonna truncate them at like maybe 5 actually. I don't know. Let's do 3. Recent blog posts. And this is going to be blog post list, recent posts. Cool. Yay. Cool. Need some spacing between these, so this one looks like, yeah. Let's make this a 16, and make this a 16 too. This one's probably just gonna want the same. We don't want this anymore. It's just wrong. Or it's not just wrong, but like it doesn't need to be there anymore. We're making it the real site. Much more space needed there. Let's make the responsibility of this thing though. Margin bottom 32 maybe? It might be too much. It might be good though, actually. Let's try 24. Yeah, 24 looks good to me. Awesome. Okay, so let's just change a few of these around. Okay, so buttons really don't make sense. Like, okay, like I like the design of this. I don't really think I love the button here, but I like the design of it. Where do I find usages of this? Or I guess these things, like where do I find usages of these? Where's the implementations? References. Yeah, it's only used right. Okay. Let's make it a link button. And it needs a href, which is a static string. No, just a string. Href is anything that impls into string. Href is href.into. Same thing with this. Okay. Cool. I like the builder of this. Oh, this is very wrong though. It's an A, and then we do href equals self.href. Perfect. Okay, and now when we use that thingy, yeah, like it would link to projects or something, and like this one would link to like about. The only problem with that is neither of those things actually exist as far as links go. But let's actually see this render. Yay! Does that look the same? Do those buttons look a little thinner? Yeah, for sure. They definitely lost just a tad of line height. I'm not giving them anything for that. Line height, leading. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, okay. Let's give them some leading. Don't really love that, but okay. Yeah, I don't even know. What do I want? Leading 8? Actually, is the line height... line clamp might be what I'm looking for. No. Where's... How did it, like, fit? Is the line height just above it, or is it centered? I don't know the answer to that. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I like all of the things, all of the decisions I made there, but that's okay. I don't have to like all of my decisions, I can change them. Wait, well that's weird. Why is this? Oh. What's going on with this? Okay, so it's overflowing, but why in the world are you overflowing? Doesn't really make sense to me. First of all, wait. Oh yeah, leading. Yeah. Oh, so that didn't do... I didn't really feel like it did what I thought it was gonna do. Okay, so maybe I just don't want 2. It also then might not have changed. But I also... Oh, yeah, well, that's fair. I didn't end up liking that, but... Okay, so I think part of it was that I was just crazy. Let's do that. That links to projects, that links to about. Both of those are dead links. Awesome. Okay. View posts. And then it can link the posts. And... I don't know what the second one should do right now. I don't really have an about page. I guess I could just write an about page. Maybe we'll do that. Okay. But I also think I want these flipped. Because I think that works better there. Because what that's gonna look like is we're gonna get this, which I like better. So I kind of think that should be. Yeah, what is going on with these? Origin bottom. Didn't matter at all. Are these floated? They shouldn't be. Oh. Is that the problem though? They're not display inline block? Yep. Buttons are inline block elements by default potentially, and when I made them A's, they are not. They're inline by default. That was the issue. There we go. And I actually kind of think I want to go back to this then. Um, they feel big to me now. Do they though? Maybe they're fine. So what I do want to do though is this, because this I think is already full width. Perfect. Okay, so go to homepage. You are flex. I want you to flex. Oh, I don't freaking ever know. Flex row. Space between. Justify space between. Something like that. Didn't do the space between thing that I wanted. No, okay, align item center we don't want. Oh. Perfect. Flex spec, and then I can just do it in yeah. Space in the X direction. Make 6. Except again, that's actually not what I wanted. I decided that right because I wanted it to be justify or something. Justify items. It's not justify though, it's justify between. That's what I'm looking for. Is that the live one? Yep. This is mine. There we go. That looks awful, but it's what I wanted. Yeah, I don't like that. Space in the X of like 8 maybe. Maybe I just want it bigger. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That is looking good. What did we do here? Oh, we moved blog posts over. Add blog posts to homepage. Cool. So another thing that's here, and I think I do want, we'll at least try it out, is the footer. Do I like it with the footer? Do I like it without the footer? I do feel like posts need something at the bottom. Let's try the footer. I don't think the footer should be super duper hard to build, so let's try it out. Footer. Public function footer. Just nothing. Render an empty thing for right now. Okay. So my footer is gonna want to have a div. And it's gonna have like a new background color. It's like a min height of 200 or so sounds big though. Let's do 100 pixels and see what that looks like. And what color is it? Is it the same color as the text? Not sure. C8, tailwind. Okay, 200, 119, 215, 1 subtitle. Yes, let's subtitle then. Cool. Background subtitle. Let's see, I think that'll render. Oh, it's not background, it's just BG. And then I think that's it. Oops. Different, because it's just this it's just a one tone really logo with transparency, I think. Is it actually done with transparency? Can't tell. No, it's done with the color. That's okay for the moment. Export as an SVG. Cool. I got a Discord, I'll have to check later. Okay. Let's see, drag that into static. Call this like monochrome logo. Logo monochrome. Don't think these linear gradients got used. I think I can clean them up. It really shouldn't have been linear gradients because the new version doesn't have them, and I don't think this did. Wonder if they're in logo, then I can clean up too. Nope, they got cleaned out of here nicely. Perfect. And then, so what do I do for the logo in the header? Yeah. Make this a flex container, seems like a good idea. Max width, medium, definitely. Oh, and then min width of like, I don't know, 100. Way smaller. Logo SVG is gonna be logo monochrome SVG. Cool, let's see what that looks like. That's kind of what I wanted. I do want it outside of that, but I forgot. It is pretty nice for that to work like that. Can I like just have it have like negative margin in the X direction of like 1,000,000 and then pad it by the same number? And then Adding X 1000 pixels. I just want to stretch this all the way without having to stretch that all the way. That's awesome. CSS full width from within container. Yeah. You can do some calcing and stuff. You could pull the container back to the edge with transformations. Don't think I need that. Where we combine the idea of wrapping it all in supports. Oh, that's interesting. None of this would apply if the viewport didn't support that. Push the container to the exact middle of the browser window with left, then pull it back to the left edge. So, like, it seems to work too, and it's way simpler. And like, this could be anything. Like, this could just be like 100%. I don't think it matters as long as they're the same. Yeah. Okay, well, that's pretty awesome. This logo is huge though. Yeah, but way less above it. Oh, actually, let's see. Wait, what is it? From there to there. Rems, I guess? Is that what? Yeah, that's what I made my unit. So like 60 pixels. What's 24? Oh, 6. That's exactly 6. Small? What's small? Oh. Okay. That's still really big. That's still pretty big. Something else got weird though. Where'd my padding go? Padding Y18. Oh. It's 18, just 16. Oh yeah, 16 is what I wanted. 16, 24. 8, 16, 24. Right? Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Except this still looks really big. This also looks big. Like, can I do extra small? But like 2XS? Is that what it is actually? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Max width. Oh my gosh, so that's the smallest max width we've got is that. Okay, so. Yeah, because I want it like to be half of that size potentially. I don't know if I want to go all the way this small, but like I want the option. Yeah, too small. Yeah, like that seems reasonable to me, I think. And then let's throw some posts on the other side here. Then actually, where's the click box there? Yeah, that's fine. I don't need that clickable. No, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, something like that, basically. Justify between the flex on them. Oh, they're there, but barely. The justify between didn't work. It's weird, why didn't that work though? It feels like that should have. Flex. Oh, because I freaking wrote flex grow on it. By I wrote, I mean, didn't really write. Copilot did. The only reason the other one can have flex grow is because it has a max width on it. There we go. So I still can't see these because the color's all wrong, but that's a separate problem. $51.41. Do I have that one? 51.41.67. I call that background. Text background. This is not header link. Oh, you know what I learned? I can do this. Spacing x8. And then these header links really don't even need to exist. They can just be straight hrefs. Cool. Next is a posts banner. Yeah, we just didn't really, with the space thing, there was no class that needed to be on all of them, so it was really not any easier to do it this way. Or harder, I guess. Yeah, except, give these a lot more space. I think I want them bigger. Oh, do I want these? I just want social icons somewhere, I realized. Maybe those go here. Maybe I put social icons in the footer instead of these. I do think I like the footer though. Yep, that's the thing I knew I was gonna need to fix. That's hilarious looking. HTML footer. I don't even want it like fixed or sticky. I just want like a yeah, it's okay, it's fine. I know what I want to do. Yeah, let's just do this quick, it's fine. Min, height. Full. screen. Immersion top, bottom. I think those two properties. Oh, I thought that was gonna do it. So it's the mint. This just didn't work. Yep. If I do this flex column. Yeah, okay, so I do need to do it here because this is not gonna work there. Yep, that and that. Flex column. Is all of that together what I need? Yeah, there we go. Yay! Nice. Probably doesn't work in all browsers, but it works in my browser very nicely. It should work in like normal browsers fine. Anything that supports a the min height screen, which is 100 view height. Awesome. Okay, we got our footer. I want more space between those things in the footer. This wants to be like 24. No, but I might want social icons instead or in addition to. That makes those spread out better. I really think I need some social links. But I guess what social links do I want, right? Okay, well, we can make that not a launch blocker. Yeah, okay, that footer really did actually make it look a lot more just like done. Padding top of like 32 maybe. I want to avoid this. We always want space here. Oh, I don't want padding though. I could just add like a little, like I could just add a div that's just a spacer. And then this just has a padding top like 32, give some space. This flex grows the thing that's supposed to push it to the bottom now. No. That's interesting. Oh. Yeah, that's more what I wanted, right? What's funny is that's like so perfect you won't even see it here. Yeah, perfect. And this is just one big spacer here. Yeah, that's just the margin of this. Okay, so I think 32 is big though. Let's do 24. But then I think I like this. It's still, but that's fine. That's not a huge deal. Yeah, we needed that space till the bottom there. Much better. Awesome. Okay. Wow. Footer in one commit. Add footer. Oh, G push to a branch. Pushing still requires the UB key. stream 621 32. I think I'm gonna change up the music. I don't think I'm loving this chill pop station. Let's go to, I think chill EDM is one we usually do. And let's skip till the song actually makes music. Yeah, I think I like my just more, I think this is more my stream music. I like this a little better. Okay, awesome. I think we're looking pretty good. We got recent Today I Learns and recent blog posts pulled out here. We've got my logo set how I wanted it for this. This says view posts, which goes here. This does that. And I could, do I just want to not have this second button right now? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like that. Through my streams, videos, and posts. Creating educational and entertaining content for developers of all skill levels. My goal is to make you feel at home and help you grow your skills through my streams, videos, and posts. I like it. I'm gonna have to add, like, you know, I want to do streaming stuff, I want social things. But, like, this might be ready to replace my existing one. There really wasn't much. So the things I would be missing are my social links. Which I can just add social links. Let's just add social links to the footer. The only thing I'm missing right now. Remove page, and I don't have yet. And fix copy. Let's add some social links to the footer. Okay, so I doubt I have any font awesome. I don't have anything on the new one. So I like Font Awesome a lot, and I have a license for Font Awesome. So should we just use Font Awesome? I don't remember how they like you to include Font Awesome anymore. So, like, what do I have? Oh, so these are kits. What's a kit? These are the... This is probably the easiest way to do it. And it seems like they want me to use kits. Yeah. Yeah, so kits is the easy way to do it. I just put the thing there and everything just works. It does go against my I host everything thing, which I can totally do, maybe. But it's going to be much easier if I just make a kit. I hope there's not going to be secrets on any of these pages, but I'll just rotate things if there are. Can I name this kit? Yeah. Pro... CSS only kits? Yeah. Latest... beta.4j.com and 4j.com. Sure. The following any other will stop. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Cool. Yeah, we're just gonna do these things. I think I want to do a CSS kit. because I don't think I want anything fancy. That requires to use web icons you won't be able to use. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, okay, so it's like kind of sensitive, but I marked this to only work on my domains anyways, so it's not really a secret I'm gonna go with. And that's not really, I don't even think that's like, it just isn't a secret. Because it's gonna be in the public HTML anyway, so it like couldn't be a secret. And we're already loading Google fonts this way, so while I don't like it, it doesn't feel crazy to do. And so there we go. Now I should have that using this simple icon syntax. Yeah. So I think I want to do the FA, add icons to HTML. Yeah. So I want to do something like that. Okay, so let's go to our footer. And let's add a thing for social links. I don't know what I want to do, so let's just do this. Href equals. Oh wow. Wait. Well, that was right, but I don't use this thing anymore. No, so we're not gonna do this one. But it's kind of wow, okay, so I must look in the repo. But I don't even have that in my header in the repo anymore. Wow, that was an impressive find, Copilot. I don't really know. I don't know. Just go nowhere right now. Because that really what I wanted to test was this. Which is just that I can do this, apparently. That's all we need, apparently. Okay, and that should be a solid user icon now. Just like chilling in the footer for no good reason. No, it's not there. Which doesn't like surprise me. Well, first of all, did the Font Awesome stuff load? Something's wrong here. Why? Why were all of these aborted? Oh, so they don't work on localhost either? Okay. Okay, so I should just do subdomains. Oh. No, they're not though. They're not included by default. Well, like I'm getting 403s. Oh, is this a Font Awesome file? No, that's the thing from Quicksand. Oh. So that worked, but then like these didn't underneath it? That's interesting. Let's just turn this off for now. Yeah. So I want to change that eventually, but like, hey, if this works better, I'll take it for the moment. Yeah, those are still 403. I don't think that's my... Right? Yeah, 0 blocked. Good, because I wouldn't... If it was going to get blocked by the ad blocker, I wouldn't use it. And it seems like I just loaded no styles for those. Actually, I can just go to sources and check. Yeah, like what did you load? Just an import that is supposed to load more things. And then they all got aborted. "403. 403 is forbidden." Yeah. So like, oh, save changes. Ah, Cloudflare. That makes sense. 4 views. That's interesting. There we go. So one of these is still 403. Most of them are not 403. Well, like the one I care about probably is the one that's failing. Probably for font phase, yeah. Yep, like yeah, it is true though. There we go. The one I wanted was the one that wasn't coming in yet, but now it is. Is it that I was on a different localhost 3000? It's silly. Whatever. Awesome. Okay, icons work. GitHub. Yeah, I think I like that one. FA brands, FA GitHub. Yep, so like that would do a GitHub one. What other ones did I have? Twitch, I definitely want a Twitch. Nice. I'm definitely gonna add a thingy for this. I'm not gonna include it in here. I want to for a second, but social. Yeah, let's just not do this right now. It's like super easy to copy paste things. So I want a Twitch. I think I want like a Mastodon. What do you have for that? Mastodon? Mastodon, yeah. There is a Mastodon. Perfect. Mastodon. Mastodon. What else did I have here? Dev2 I think is fine, and let's do an RSS one. Do I want it in the same way though? I might. Solid RSS. Like, do I maybe not want those there? I think I might want this to replace those. Yeah, we're gonna want these way bigger and way less spacing now. I think we're gonna go with this. Text, like XL, I don't know. Big. There we go, those are better. Yeah, I bet I could. What color is that? It's not. I wonder if I bet I could do this though. Next background. Oh, haha. They already are. Oh wait, but that means font awesome resetting. Like, because that's not that color. Is it? Oh, it is. Never mind. We're good. It was always the right color. This is not background, but that's okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's get these links set up. That's mine for GitHub, Twitch, Mastodon is different. It's 2.cat at Corey J.A. That should be right. Yes. What was the last one? RSS. That's a great question. This is something like, I think, is that where I put this? No, it's not. It's like posts. I don't remember. Let's just grab the thing from here. Well, that's main of that. There we go. Posts RSS.xml. Even easier. Not actually positive about that one. Where is this one? They didn't know what it was because they had that 404. There we go. Okay, GitHub. It goes to. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fair. I actually don't. I'd rather always go to the S's than keep the protocol. The only time we want to keep it is this one. It's just because I'm on HTTP doesn't mean anyone ever wants to stay on HTTP. These should always go to HTTPS. Perfect. 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 Awesome. Okay. This might be enough to launch it. This might be it. We might be ready to flip over the DNS here soon. Right now, DNS is pointing CoreyJA.com at a static S3 bucket and beta at this, which is on a Fly server, fly.io, and I think we're ready to flip the DNS. Not positive I will do that live, but I might wrap up and flip the DNS. Ooh, hey! Thanks for hanging out, Bambi. That's really sweet. But I think we're pretty ready. Yeah, there's definitely things, like, there's lots of things that I want to do still. But that's okay. There's always more time to do more things. Let's get this landed. Complete the homepage. That's basically what it is. What else did we do here? Anything else exciting? Oh, we extracted blog post list so that it just is easier. I do like that. Truncating to 3, getting these lists on the home page 2. That really made the homepage feel better. The footer actually really made everything feel more complete. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, we replaced button with link button because there was no reason for a button element. Like, that didn't make any sense. So we removed that. We added our new footer. I'm glad this min height screen thing worked and it wasn't more complicated than that. We just added our spacer and then our footer. That's not the newest version. That one needs to tap. And yeah. Implemented that. That's just silly. Ooh, there we go. That's fun. Let's look at that. So here's where we can see them just side by side. And let's do the swipey. This will be fun. Oh, see, we can see the vertical positioning changed of this just a little bit. So a little higher in this frame for most of these letters. Ooh, and that's better, right? Some of the in-between letter spacing is a bit improved. The J is a bit closer, so is the A. And then over here, we get the different color. Yeah, so it's nicer. So it's actually, I was saying it a little backwards. It's a little lower in the new version, higher in the old version, and the spacing is a little farther apart. Things have a little more breathing room over here. But I like it a lot. It's fun to see this way. I also like, what's the other one? Onion skin? Yeah, this is new and we can blend it halfway. There you go. That one's fun too. You can see the transition. That's fun. Okay. Let's see. Tests are running. Awesome. We're pretty ready to go here. Let's see. That is the only things we had any issues. What else did we want to do? Is there anything else I'm worried about before I flip it over and set this one to be the real URL? I don't think so. I can run my sitemap checker again. And what is sitemap checker set up to check against? Okay, so now it's set up to check against the real one again. Yeah, let's run it. I haven't added anything that would have changed the sitemap stuff in a while, so that should be fine. Ah, that's fine. The only 404 is the resume, which is fine. I don't think I need that. Oh, but I don't actually serve a sitemap right now. It's fine. Google doesn't need me to serve a sitemap. They'll figure it out. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I think we are going to wrap up here and I will get this deployed. Yep, stream is ready to go. Ready for review this. And I think we're gonna do it. Okay, squash and merge. And there we go. That will be deployed in, 5 or 10 minutes. And then I will get the DNS flipped over. And from here on out, we will be working on the live site. We won't have to pretend it's off to the side in beta land, which will be fun. And yeah, I think with that, we're going to wrap up for the evening. Thanks for coming along. Had a good stream and got some good work done. I'm excited to get this finally live and switch out for my old one. Thanks for coming along, and I hope to see you soon. And I'll see you on the internet. Thanks. Bye.